Hello and welcome to a video tutorial of Niche Genetics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how our Enterprise Extreme customers can analyze their own local listings and their own local competition. And to do this, we're going to be using the comparison report section. Now, a number of users might want to know exactly how difficult or easy it's going to be to rank in Google in their own local Google. So as you can see, I'm in google.co.uk, and what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to enter the search term. So let's, for example, in this example, we're looking for SEO, and what I'm going to do now is scrape all of the URLs that are listed on the first page of Google, but as you can see, it's a little tedious. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a plugin called SEO Quake that I've got installed into Mozilla Firefox, and what this does, it brings up some options down here, and one of the options is to save to file. So I'm going to save this to file, and I'm going to call it CSV, SEO.csv. I've already got one saved down here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a different one. Let's just do social media marketing. Okay, and I'm going to download this instead because I haven't done this one, so I don't want to do the same one. Okay, this is telling me at the moment that the data hasn't been fully gotten by SEO Quake yet, so we need to wait a couple of seconds until the data has gotten. Okay, the data has been taken now, and I'm going to save this over. Fantastic. Okay, and I'm going to go and open that up and show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I've got this opened up in front of me now. However, the format of the URLs is not how we want them for Niche Genetics. So what I'm going to do now is highlight the whole field. I'm going to go over to find and replace, click on replace, and I'm going to look for this symbol here, and I'm going to add a star symbol to tell it that it's a wildcard, and everything after it as well should be included. And I'm going to replace it with nothing and replace all. And as you can see, it trims everything down so that we only have the URLs. I'm going to copy these URLs and go over to Niche Genetics, and I'm going to enter these URLs in here. Let's just make sure that there was only 10. Yes, fantastic. And in this section here, guys, you can enter 10 URLs at a time, and you can use it 10 times a day. So you can basically analyze up to 100 URLs. Now you can enter 3 URLs or just the 1 URL if you want, if you wanted to only analyze just the 1 URL. However, if you're analyzing based on your competition, then you might as well do all 10 results so you get a good understanding about all the sites. Okay, and in here, I'm going to enter my main keyword that I'm looking to rank for in this section here. And what you can see down here, guys, just before I generate this report, is you can see previous reports that I've generated as well. And if you click on the reports, it's going to minimize or maximize them, and you can do this on every report. And I believe the system saves up to the last 5 searches or the last 5 reports that you've actually created. So it's a good idea to actually download all the data for you. So I'm going to click on request report, and what happens now, it gives you the data down here. It tells you the keyword social media marketing, and it tells you that it's actually in progress. Now this report normally gets completed within 5 minutes, usually much sooner as well. However, you will need to navigate back over to this page to find out if the report has been complete. So I'm going to go back over to comparison report. Although I'm on comparison report, it's just like a refresh, just to see if it's been done. And as you can see, it hasn't been done yet. It's still in progress. And I'm going to continue to click on this every few seconds just until it's done. And as you can see, this one's done. So it's fairly quick and fairly straightforward. And in here, you get to find out the title of the URL, the key, if it was using the keyword was using the title, URL or header, the word count and how much content they've got on there, the trust flow, backlinks, referring domains, domain authority, page authority, and of course a difficulty score for each one of the sites. And you can export this data as well to CSV file, as you can with all of the data, or all of the other areas. And let me just show you what kind of data you get. You get to know the URL, the backlink counts, the referring domains, and everything that you could see in the table, but you also get to see the titles, the meta descriptions, the actual keywords used, the total number of headings, the headings used as well, the total number of images with and without alternative text, internal links, external links, the anchor text used, and so much more as well. So I'm going to let you explore this so you can work with this anyway. But yeah, guys, this is exactly how you'd come along and you'd be able to analyze your own local Google competition for any keyword you so wish, and find out exactly how difficult or easy it's going to be to rank in Google for that. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed working with this feature.